I'm recording on my new phone. Hey, you guys. I'm disturbed because I feel like I have 16 miles of forehead. I mean, I do have a big forehead. It's just not that big. Anyway, I am here recording for the first time on my phone, so bear with me. I don't know how editing is going to go. But I had to come and bring you the Sugar Milk review. The Sugar Milk review. So, I have a whole lot of things that did not wow me. And I have a few that were cool. As you see, very few. So let's get right in there. I love Sugar Milk. I love the scent. It's something that was introduced to me by another waxy, by the vendor Tiffany Candles. That's how I first heard about sweet milk, is what they call it, what Tiffany Candles calls it. And I actually didn't get a chance to order from her because at the time it was out. So I ordered from Misa Melts and absolutely fell in love with Sugar Milk. From then on, I had to have it. So I always order it. The past couple months, anytime I get a chance to order it, I go ahead and, do it. So I decided, let me order, as much as possible, and do a review, compare different brands. So I have a lot here. Of course, this is not the end all be all. There's so many vendors that have Sugar Milk now because it's become more popular. There's even some right now, like I didn't get my Swanky Sugar Milk, and I'm sure that one is probably good. But New Moon, who is it? Poor Girls. There's so many. There's a couple of other vendors that I don't have that I know newly have Sugar Milk. Rising Star. So this is not everything that you could get Sugar Milk, but this is just my humble opinion of just a few different companies. Should we go with the good or the bad first? Are we doing beautiful or ugly first? Let's go with the good. I was shocked, you guys. I thought that I was going to love a lot more of these scents. I have a mix of straight Sugar Milk and I have Sugar Milk blends. I've been melting all Sugar Milk for the past 2 weeks. So, Misa Melts. This one is still tops. It's actually neck and neck with another one I'm going to show you. As far as the top Sugar Milk that I have melted, it's going to be Sugar Milk. And this is from December. This was poured in December, as you see. I feel like this one actually lost some of its scent because the first time, ooh, that smells so good. The first time I melted this, oh my gosh, I was in love. I melted 2 cubes. Now, mind you, I only melted 1 this time, and it was in a bigger room. And so it did okay, but it still has that true Sugar Milk scent. The thing with Sugar Milk you have to watch out for is some of them will smell burned. As soon as it starts heating, you get that burn smell at the end. The other one that did excellent, and I don't even know if this is a true milk scent, but it is similar, is called, I think it's Rasu Cream from Wilma's. This right here, 3 of these cubes in a 20 watt, everything. Everything. It's creamy, it's milky, it is everything, okay? I will absolutely order more of this. This was really good. As you see, it's one of her walkers, and I'm sad. I have to go back now and see if I can get some more before it's completely gone. Another one that did amazing. Blank Label. This is a blend. It's Rose Dawson. It's soft baby rose petals doused in vanilla sugar milk. It was everything. And the milk and the rose petal were neck and neck. This was such a good one, and it lasted a long time. I really appreciated and loved this scent. This one, okay, Sorenzo Milk and Cookies. Okay, this went for 2 whole days. None of these, let me get that straight right now. None of these outside of this one went for 2 days. Because Sugar Milk is a light scent, so it's hard to get it strong, in my opinion. And it definitely doesn't last long. This lasted. This Milk and Cookies smells so good. I can smell it now. It's really, really, really good. That's a definite. Now, this is Watermelon Coconut Milk. Not a straight up milk, but it was still really good. Perfect. You got the creaminess along with the coconut from Swanky. Really good. This one from Wilma's got milk. This one did good. It was light, but at least it lasted. Whew, still get that creaminess. That creamy milk scent is everything to me. The Country Scent Shack, the wild berry strawberry sugar milk. This was everything. I had this in a 24-watt warmer, and you could sniff and smell strawberry, and then you would sniff and smell milk, and it was just, I loved it. It was a nice size tart. It lasted a good 10 hours. This, I actually have this on right now, and I'm smelling it, and I'm just loving it. And I have half of a different blend. This is from Elite Natural Soaps. These these melted phenomenally well. The first one is Ice Lemon Sugar Milk Birthday Cake. I have this on now. It's amazing that you can smell milk through lemon and birthday cake. Those are both strong scents, so the fact that I can still smell the milk creaminess, very nice. This one is Wild Berry Sugar Milk, and it was so good. I really love this Wild Berry Sugar Milk. That's why I had to save this little half so I can keep on melting, because this was really good. Really good. Look, let me remind myself. Oh, yes. Her milk is good. Now, those were the hurrahs. Hooray! Woo! Milk! Let's talk about all the ones that disappointed my soul. Okay? Just disappointed me. I had such high hopes. Let's start with where it came from. Tiffany Candles. I have removed myself from the group. Will not be ordering from them, period. It's not just about the milk. I have other scents that just nothing was strong from her. Absolutely nothing. This is the sugar milk, which I got 2 packs of these, and I didn't get any milk from, any scent from not one of these bears. I have the last one on right now in Xavie's room. And then the sweet milk and pink sugar. I didn't expect the milk to be strong with the pink sugar, but not even this pink sugar was strong. Womp womp. No more Tiffany Candle. I had really high hopes for this. Country Lane Keepsakes Sugar Milk. It has the burn smell. It's a stronger sugar milk like I expected because it's paraffin. But once it melts for like an hour or more, you get that burn on the end. And you know what I'm realizing? These bags suck. I need Ziplocs. Because I think some of my wax is losing scent, i.e. my Misa, because it was in bags like this. Like, you need to be able to seal it up. So I'm going to be transferring this after the video because I would like to save the little scent left. Now, I told you I love the Country Scent Shack's sugar milk blend, but the sugar milk by itself wasn't great. I'm sorry, I'm finding it. I just want to show you guys. Hold on. Here it is, the Country Scent Shack. So, Wild Berry Sugar Milk was everything. Sugar milk, nothing. The scent just wasn't, it was not strong. It wasn't. That's my biggest issue with all of these. It's not strong enough. Again, it's already a light scent. There are enough that I know they could actually make it to where you could smell it. But these, you just barely. I had high hopes for this Wilma Sugar Milk too. I have 3 more of these. It has a burn smell on the end, but ultimately when I put it in a 20 watt, nothing. 2 times, nothing. But I'm going to let it cure. Maybe I'll change that review. This Wilma's Creme de la Creme. This did nothing. And it has a weird smell right now, but it's not strong at all. It wasn't good. This was really sad for me. River Region Candle. I had Dolce de Leche Mystery Vanilla. I had Dolce de Leche Ooey Gooey Caramel. I had Dolce de Leche Cinnamon Stick. And I got absolutely nothing on all of these. Now, I'm barely getting scent. I think these bags really suck. I think they really let out scent more than we waxies realize. Or maybe more than me, I realize. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. I won't be getting more sugar milk from there because I actually have other scents for another video from a River Region that did well. Those did not. I have 2 more left that I'm just going to let cure, same like Wilma's. I have the straight up Dolce de Leche, which is sugar milk. And then I have Dolce de Leche brownie batter. And I'm just going to let them cure because the other ones did so, nothing, not a hint. That I'm just going to try and just, let it cure. That's it. So that's my review, you guys. It wasn't as great as I thought it was going to be. I thought I was going to be in sugar milk heaven, and I wasn't.